The way MaintainX helps with the criticality of keeping production equipment running is basically the frequency and the constant batch generation of PM work orders. So depending on priority rates, prioritization, you got batch generation, frequency intervals, and labor utilization dependent on the workload view that MaintainX provides can better facilitate us to be able to keep that equipment running on schedule, per tech, per shift. Since the implementation of MaintainX, in comparison to other platforms, there's been a great improvement in record keeping, work order prioritization, descriptions, you got cost and labor analysis, you got reporting tables. Just about every field that you can think of that MaintainX has touched has seen some significant improvement. There's no doubt about that. In my personal experience, it has helped with record keeping and data entry, which ultimately facilitates a better quality of work from each technician as well. So it's been a phenomenal platform ever since it's been integrated into our company.